Hello, Donsky TV, Dudong. Ayan, happy anniversary. Good luck and more years to celebrate in YT. Ayan, alam ko naman ako yung nagturo sa'yo para maging addict sa YT. Ayan. Huwag mo naman gawing araw ang gabi kasi sobrang sipag mo kahit pagod ka na sa work, andyan ka pa rin. Ayan, nagla-live pa rin. Ayan. Sana tuloy-tuloy lang at more revenues to come, more subscribers. Ayan, tuloy mo lang yun dahil masipag ka. Ikaw nga ang idol namin. Idol namin yan si Dodong. Ayan, congratulations sa iyong nakamit ngayon at isang taon ka na sa YT. And thank you so much for the number 1 fan, Inday Lisa. Ayan, mag-iingat ka lang dyan at sana makauwi ka na at ayun. Always ingat ka dyan. Ayan, halata pa naman magapay dahil hindi pa nga ako masyadong magaling. Yung ginawa ko lang po dahil yung mga kailangan mo na nga. Ayan. Again, congrats and more power to your channel. And thank you always sa pag-support sa channel ko. Ayan. Advance, happy birthday! Ay, malapit na rin pala yung kaarawan mo. Ayan. Basta tuloy lang. Wag sumuko kay Lolo YT. Ayan. Kahit nababawasan, kahit alam mo naman ngayon, si YT ay napakahigpit. Ayan. Doble ingat lang sa channel natin at ingatan natin na maging maayos lagi ang ating channel. Ayan. Push mo lang yan at I wish that na more years to celebrate in YT and stay healthy and lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. Keep safe. Nandito lang kami ng mga anak mo. Ayan, hindi na ko napahabain ito. Dodong, idol namin, great provider namin. Ayan, happy anniversary sa YT and advance happy birthday to you. My Dodong, my only Dodo. Ayan, thank you and more years and revenues and subscribers to come. Aja. Ayan, God bless you. Mama, we love you. Bye!
Happy 1-year anniversary sa YouTube. Sana marami kang mamarating sa YouTube. Sana pares kayo successful naman sa YouTube. Dito lang kami support sa iyo. Tsaka kay Mama Yun. Thank you.
Hi Papa, first of all, I want to congratulate you to your first year anniversary in YouTube. And I'm really happy on what you have become. Because I know you had faced many challenges and circumstances before getting monetized and having revenues in YouTube. But then I have seen how you worked hard for it. And you definitely deserve all the blessings you have now. I hope you get to inspire more people and keep doing what you love and keep doing live streams to have friends. And we are just here to support you. We love you and good luck. Fighting.
Manager, congratulations. Huwag ka magtaka kung bakit ako nakaganito kasi nag-record ako ng kanta. Ayun. Congratulations. Masasabi ko ay good luck sa iyong channel. Sana ay lumago pa, syempre. At mag-iingat ka dyan. Alam naman natin kung ano yung problema natin sa mundo ngayon. Ingat ka po palagi. And God bless. Maraming salamat sa inyong mag-asawa. Syempre, simula nung umpisa, andyan kayo sa aking tabi. Hindi nyo ako iniwan na confine na ako lahat-lahat. Andyan pa rin kayo. salamat ng maraming salamat. At mag-ingat ka palagi dyan, lagi kang mag-pray. Wish ko na sana din ay makauwi ka na para makasama mo na ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Ayan, ingat-ingat po lagi talaga dyan. And God bless, more power, more blessings, and good luck. Bye-bye. Congratulations again.
Hi everyone, this is Franny's Rising TV. Congratulations to you, my friend, Donsky TV, for celebrating in 1 year in YouTube. The months passing by, you are now reaching for a first anniversary, and here's my wishing is your channel to be fruitful in years to come and continue inspiring others YouTubers. And cheers to you for your first year anniversary. Good luck.
Hi, hello, Donsky TV, si Tita Nini here. So, binabati kita ng happy first year anniversary dito sa YT. So, more power to your channel. At isa pa, nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo ng marami sa pagsuporta niyo sa akin. Nina and Lisa, thank you talaga. Salamat sa inyong mag-asawa, sa inyong kabaitan. Happy anniversary uli. Bye-bye. Love you, Mama.
What's up? Kasolid Donsky TV. Happy first anniversary on a milestone YouTuber. Let's go! Congrats, Donsky! Let's rock and roll! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Donsky TV lang ang malakas.
Hello everyone! Congratulations to Donsky TV for having their anniversary in YouTube channel. And I'm very happy and proud that you reached this anniversary of yours. And thank you for supporting small YouTubers. In fact, I'm one of the people who get supported by them. Sobra silang supportive, silang mag-asawa ni si Miss Inday Lisa. And kahit wala ka sa live stream nila, they still pin you, they share your videos. So it helps you to gain more followers, more subscribers, kasi talagang sobrang supportive nila. So guys, please magpa-member kayo sa kanila, and promise hindi kayo magsisisi because they will support you even after you have been monetized. So, ayun guys, minsan pa share din kayo sa LS ko, paminsan-minsan lang naman. And let's grow together and support each other. Mabuhay, Donsky TV. Bye!
Mega love shout out po sa lahat. So, this is it. The Grand LS of Donsky TV. Boss, we are so proud of you. Pagpatuloy mo lang and go straight. So, thank you sa lahat na naandyan sa baba. Laban lang tayo, wag sumuko, at magkaisa. Let's enjoy and...
What's going on, my friend Adonis Capella? This is your friend I Know Chris from USA. Give me a shout out saying congratulations on your 1 year in YouTube, brother. Keep doing your thing. Much love. And you know what you gotta do. Keep tubing.
Happy first anniversary Donsky TV. Please like, subscribe and share Donsky TV. Donsky, I really like your channel and live long.
Kapatid Donsky, happy 1 year anniversary sa YouTube. I wish you more success and thank you so much dahil sa YouTube nagkakilala tayo. And I'm so thankful sa lahat ng support ni Sisi Lisa. Continue to be blessings to others. And ingat ka lagi dyan. And may God bless you more.
So ayan, binabati ko lang ng happy first anniversary sa yung YouTube channel, Bro Donsky TV. Ayan, so madalian lang itong pagbati. Ayan. Again, happy anniversary. Sana more blessings. I hope more blessings and sana tumagal ka pa dito sa mundo ng YT. Ayan.
Hello, Donsky TV. I would like to say congratulations on your first anniversary in YT, and I hope that you keep doing what you're doing. I would like to send some more encouragement on doing nice videos and sharing ideas, and also sharing your life, what you have in Cayman Island. And I hope that someday we will meet, like very soon. I'm looking forward to it. And again, more revenues, more videos, and a kick up with your channel. Bye. God bless.
Yun. From Nunong Rubis TV to Donsky TV, happy anniversary. Yun lang.
Happy anniversary, more videos to come, and good luck.
More video to come. Ano daw? More videos to come. Ayan lang. Salamat.
Happy anniversary Donsky TV. Happy anniversary Donsky TV.
Hello Kuya Donsky, happy first anniversary po sa YouTube mo. Simula pa naman, kita na po namin yung journey nyo po sa YouTube, and sobrang happy po kami kasi sobrang bilis nyo lang po talaga ma-monetize yun. So, ngayon, grabe, first year anniversary nyo na po, sobrang dami nyo po natutulungan ni Ate Inday. And yun po, salamat po sa lahat, salamat po talaga. Promise lang po namin na andito lang po kami ni Major para po sa inyo ni Ate Inday. Happy first year anniversary po ulit!
What's up, idol? Congratulations, isang taon ka na sa YouTube. So, enjoy lang natin yung pag-YouTube. So, ayun, sana marami ka pang friends na makita, mahanap dito sa YouTube. So, yun, nagpapasalamat pala ako sa mga tulong mo sa akin dito sa YT. So, yun, hindi ko na iisa-isayin sa maraming salamat po.
Sana marami pang blessings na dumating sa'yo para madami ka pang matulubgan na kagaya ko. Stay safe and congratulations.
Hi Kuya Donsky. Congratulations po kasi isang taon na po kayo sa YouTube, and happy first anniversary po sa inyo. And sana all po. Thank you po sa inyo ni Ate Inday kasi lagi kami nananalo sa YouTube, sa channel niyo. Sana more blessing to come po sa family nyo, and keep safe po dyan sa inyo sa trabaho mo. Bye po.
If you love me, I'll be